Hello everyone, myself Savia Musurgupi. I am studying in BCom second sem and I am from SSMS College, Athani. Today I am here to participate in the speech competition conducted by our Rani Chennamma Foundation, and my topic is environment and health. So let's start. Everybody knows that whatever surrounds us is our environment, but science has a different point of view and science has defined it differently. That is the complex of physical factors, chemical factors, biotic factors and abiotic factors that has a serious effect on any of the organism or any ecosystem that exists in our nature. This is called environment as per science. The natural environment that surrounds us has a significant effect on our health through the air we breathe, through the water we drink, and through the food we eat. It is very essential and it is very important to study the relation between our health and environment, because by studying this we can able to learn more about our environment. We can prevent ourselves from causing serious diseases and much more. Let's move towards some of the major factors which are causing severe damages to the human health. Many of them are so commonly discussed, that are deforestation, air pollution, water pollution, global warming, ozone depletion, natural resource depletion, etc. So, I will share some of the interesting facts about these factors in our country or in this world. So, I will go ahead with deforestation. Every year, US population grows by 17 lakh people, and each person requires an extra acre of land and highways. So, for this, they need to cut trees. They need to build some more space for constructing buildings, highways, roads, etc. for the people who are living in the country. By talking about air pollution, it is estimated that in our country it is causing 67,000 deaths annually and causing some of the serious health problems like lung cancer and asthma. Moving towards the global pollution, the ongoing effects of global pollution are thermal expansion and raising the sea levels, temperature, and we can take the melting of glaciers, ice sheets, and many more. Talking about the water pollution, it is estimated that in our country 70% of water is unfit for consumption, means a common human being can't drink that water, and 40 liters of wastewater enters the clean water bodies each day. Water is such a resource that human being require daily, and it is scarce in our country. Health is that state of mind where a human being is stable by his social being, by his mental status, by his social status, by his you can take the financial status, and by his health status. This is called as our health. A natural environment has a serious effect on our health and for the well-being of our body. But the local environment can be a source of stressors because of today's growing air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and hazardous chemicals which are entering the local water bodies, as you can see all day. And our government has launched so many programs to control this and to protect our natural environment. Some of them are Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Green India Mission, and much more. But the question is what I and you are doing to protect our nature by ourselves. What we personally are doing to seriously protect our environment and our surroundings. Because if we want to change our nature or if we want to change our earth, it is the first step to take. So, there are some of the tips which I can give to protect our nature. The first one is educating your family related to the air pollution and reusing the things which you can, reducing the use of non-essential things, okay, and recycling the food waste, switching off the fan when it's not necessary as you can save the electricity, switching off the water tap when it's not necessary to use the water, and spending your money wisely and consume less. Ban the usage of plastic. And the next one is plant a tree if it is once a year. By telling this, I want to conclude my session. And I will just tell and hope that if we follow some of the good and ecological factors and practices which are so much friendly with our environment, we can seriously protect our health, because destroying our nature, it is seriously means destroying the human life in this earth. So I want to conclude my session and only 10 one line, that is, know your worth so that you can save your health.